Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech It Simple. Now, today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to log into your Boostcamp application on your mobile device. It is the best workout log application. Now guys, for this, what you need to do is just open up your App Store or your Play Store, bring up the search bar, and type in Boostcamp and hit enter. Now, over here, you can see the Boostcamp application on your screen. Just click on Install for installation. Now, to install this application, just click on Install. It might take a while to install, depending upon your internet connection. Wait for it, guys. See, the application has been installed. See, the application has been installed, guys. Stay motivated, track progress, and cross your fitness goals with the Boostcamp application. That's it for today, guys. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.